What's the meaning of blood sugar? Blood sugar. Blood sugar.
Blood sugar. Blood sugar. Blood sugar, also known as blood glucose, refers to the concentration of glucose, a type of sugar, in the bloodstream. Glucose is a primary source of energy for our bodies and is carried through the bloodstream to all our cells. The level of blood sugar can vary depending on factors such as food intake, physical activity, and hormone levels. The body tightly regulates blood sugar levels through a complex system involving hormones like insulin and glucagon. High or low blood sugar levels can have negative health consequences, including diabetes, nerve and kidney damage, and heart disease. Monitoring blood sugar levels is important for maintaining overall health.